A key point is al-bishara, the good news coming always, as we read in Al-Quran Al-Kareem, at the words and the hands of Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. Whatever calamities come around and visit us, we find solace, we find shelter, mercy, we find all pleasure in Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam, and in his beautiful words bringing us the glad tidings from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. He is a channel up and a channel down. Any of our works going up to the heavens go through him, and any transcendence of any meaning of ta'ah or ibadah or any pleasure or even of any favor from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bestowed upon us comes only through him. Anything coming from up comes through him to us. Anything going from us to the heavens goes through him, sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wa sallam. No wonder, brothers and sisters, we can understand words of great men of Allah, such as Al-Imam Abu al-Abbas al-Mursi and several others who were allowed to speak and express their own spiritual states when they said, had Rasulullah been absent from my eyesight for one moment, I wouldn't consider myself a believer. If Rasulullah is absent from my eyesight for one moment, I wouldn't consider myself a believer.